To run your business efficiently, you need to know everything you can about your inventory and operation minute by minute. Zebra RFID technology provides real-time visibility over your assets. Printed RFID labels make materials and tools detectable and traceable by readers positioned throughout your facility. Fixed readers and antennas installed at strategic control points monitor the movement of RFID tags into and through designated zones, while handheld readers greatly simplify manual tasks such as inventory and cycle counting. In any industry, RFID improves operational awareness and employee productivity while minimizing errors and downtime. And with our extensive partner network, Zebra RFID is available and supported everywhere you operate. Keep your business moving forward with Zebra RFID technology.